Hi guys, today I would like to show you guys how to make a face mask at home without having a sewing machine. After you make it will be like this. So let's start. I do not want to make it too long video, so you can take the length just enough like this. So I measure so around 7.7 and 6.7 and the breadth, so I already marked it. So I am gonna cut from a cloth. You can take any 100% cloth, that may be from the t-shirt like this or from some bandana. And let's start, and then we'll do, let's see. So I measured 7.5, then okay, after you are done with the cutting, it doesn't take long time. So make a small knot so that it will not skip, and then I am going to insert this over here. This label, if I put from here from the beginning, then you can leave this here. I would do this first time, and you can shoot this end. The two corner is already sewed. Now after you made this end, you finish, and this end you still need to have to keep the tie like this. So I have, then you put like this and sew in two end. If you do not have the elastic band, you can also use little stretchy hair tie. Or you can take from any cloth. Make sure you sew it all the corners, and I want to leave here a small hole so that I can make inside out, just like how you put the pillowcase. If you do like this, the sewing will be beautiful, and it's easy. If you want to make it better now, you can. Okay, so it's almost, it is here like this. You can wear. So I want to put some crease over here and put some stitch there. So let's put some crease. You can do like this. 1, 2 is enough. 2 there. So I put 2. Yeah. Let's put 2. Then you can start sew from there. A little bit thicker needle will be good. Please do this and put some stitches over there. In the same way you can put the folding on the other side. And keep the stitch just like that. Okay, after you sew both the crease and the crease, here we sewed, and the end is like this, so you can adjust this elastic band according to your length, and it's not very big. It looks like a smaller, but it's still enough for you because it is folded, and you can put the iron if you want, and you can just wear it like that. If you feel like this is a little bit bigger, then you can adjust according to your length. So I kept a little bit large, so you can use anywhere you go. See, both is same like this. Then it's good for you, and you can donate anybody you want. Thank you. Bye bye.